Absolutely. So the number one, for some pumps, is its age. We say that 7 years is the average. You might get more, you might get less, depending on how often it's used. Sometimes when people build like a new house, they're using builder-grade sump pumps, which aren't really as good. But any sump pump, like I said, about 7 years is the average. But for regular sump pumps that are working fine today and then all of a sudden stop working, one of the biggest things for sump pump killers are gravel, debris, things that get sucked into the impeller of the motor that stop it from being able to pump out. That will quickly burn out your sump pump because it'll be trying 24 hours a day to discharge water, and it will not be able to. So, the debris, there's nothing you can do about, right away, but maybe your sump pump is out and you need a solution to get you by for an hour until the plumber can get there. Sometimes you can get lucky, and if, let's say, you just have a bad switch, the switch is what tells the pump to turn on and off. So if the switch is maybe bad, you might be able to take the pipe here and kind of give it a little jostle. That might just activate the switch enough to pump the water out until you can get some help. And you don't want to, leave that for days and days and days after that's worked. But also, some pumps come with a dual plug like this. So what you might be able to do is you take this bottom plug out and plug this into a different outlet, and that would make the pump run 24 hours a day, but that would get you out of a jam in the meantime. So you'd have to come down and turn it off when it sucks all the water out and put it back. But not all pumps have the dual plugs, but something to look out for and might be able to help you.